talking about the job offers, like after internships, students are worried or they wish like if they could get the job offer on the same organization. So how they can inspire an employer to get a job offer?
First thing, the company's job description, you understand what kind of outcome they are expecting from a particular employee. So accordingly, you speak to the supervisor on this is what I want to achieve, one what is required to achieve that. Okay, that you have to ask, and you have to make sure that whether they will be recruiting the interns to a full-time employee or not. Okay, only then when they have a policy of hiring intern to a full-time employee, then it makes sense to join as an internship and aiming at a full-time job. Okay. Otherwise, if the policy itself is not there, there is no point in joining an internship and aiming for a full-time job. So in most of the organization, especially software and sales kind of internship, this is possible because they are looking for people to enter into full-time project and then start contributing. But interns should have an understanding on what is the skill that is required for a full-time job employee. Only that kind of a preparation is required, and submission of projects in a right timing and being punctual and being proactive is the right recommendation for an intern, so that they feel, oh, okay, if he is compliant coming as a full-time employee, this is what he will execute. Okay, you are giving an
Exactly.
experience to a recruiter on how when you become an employee, how you will be performing, that you are giving a trailer during the internship. Okay,
Exactly.
that you have to keep it in mind so that you are very proactive and all that. Okay, so whatever points or whenever you are in the office room, you'll have to be very proactive, talking, communicating with the people so that they feel, okay, this is highly energetic guy.
Yeah.
Okay, he's a happy guy where I can work with him.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if they feel okay, only if I'm giving some task, then he is executing. Otherwise, he's sitting idle. Okay, that should not be there. Okay, you
Exactly.
should be going to him, going to his desk, asking them, okay, how is this? How is that? How I can perform this? You know, then it will create an interest. Oh, okay, this guy is interested.
Yeah,
Okay,
definitely.
so nobody wants somebody who can who just finishing one particular task and sitting idle. Okay,
Exactly. Yes.
proactiveness, communicating with the other people, showing energetic passion, you know, that's what the demonstration you have to show. Even if you don't have inside, you have to show outside,
Exactly.
right? So
Yeah.
energetic passion. So everybody likes happy people, energetic people, you know, all that, no? So that you have to showcase during the internship so that they feel okay. If he is coming, he will add value to the culture.
Exactly.
Okay. And essentially, people have to be mindful on what kind of a culture the company is having right now and what kind of team diversity the company is having already.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Team in the
Yes.
sense, in a 15-member team or a 10-member team, there will be
Mm.
people who are from different language, different city, different age group, correct? Different
Different mind.
background, all that. Okay.
Yeah.
How you are able to gel with that particular team is highly essential.
Exactly.
Okay. So in your school or your college, you will be highly comfortable because it is all your age group.
Exactly.
Okay, 19, 20, 21. It is all same group. You will talk the same concept. You'll talk about movies, you'll talk about politics, you talk about games, you know, only these things you talk about. Okay.
Exactly.
But in an organization, coming with a different people, different mindset, you have to talk a lot many things so that you gel with that people.
Exactly.
Okay. If they are
Yeah.
talking about football and you don't know about football, then you're missing out in the entire group. Okay. So that
Yes.
company culture, this is a chance for an intern to understand how a company culture works and how people are talking and mingling themselves, so that you learn, okay, when I have to join in a team, what I have to scale up. Okay.
Exactly.
That
That's.
people have to be mindful so that they join in a team. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
This is not a scenario in a college where you are mingling with a uniform age group. Okay,
Exactly.
completely diversified team wherein you have to be proactively push yourself, go and talk to people and then gel, which will take 3 months. These are the
Those.
items you have to be very, very mindful when you are joining an internship. If you are looking for a one-to-one job counseling, connect with me with topmat.io/gskumar.